Hi, I'm Candy5. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Japanese candy art. I first came to the US 1996 because Disney World invited me to work for them. Since then, I live in Florida or did my candy show Epcot 17 years until I moved to New York in 2017. I'm based in New York, but I travel all over the country for events, birthday party, wedding, baby shower, bar mitzvahs, and sometimes at the zoo or amusement park. The most important tools that I use are Japanese scissors, a Crock-Pot, and food colors. Candy is very delicate. The most difficult process of candy making to adjust the hardness or the candy. Every day, the temperature, humidity change, and thereafter the consistency of the candy. Very subtle. They made a huge difference in candy making, and it's all up to the candy artist's intuition to determine when the candy is ready to be pressed on the stick. When you get it at the perfect timing, you can form the candy into anything. Why did I decide to become a candy artist? Well, I tried all the jobs I wanted, and I finally discovered my destiny. It was the number 13, and this is the last one. How do I know that? Because I can never get tired of my mosaic. It is a 300 years old traditional Japanese candy art. I've been embracing the tradition, but always creating something new. Did you know that there are only 5 female candy artists in Japan now? I'm the first woman in the history. I have a unique style of candy making. I still have a Japanese traditional element, but it's also an American pop art that makes you chuckle. All of my candy have a personality. That's Candy5 style. I can make anything and everything with candy, but most popular for girls and unicorn. For boys is a dragon. Adults often want pets like a dog or cat. If you show me picture of your pet, or even your family, friend, celebrity, or anyone, I can make them with candy. I love challenges. If you are watching this video, one thing I want to tell you, don't hesitate to challenge yourself. Don't give up, then you'll find your path.
Oh, yes!